Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming dimensions and buying materials to match those numbers. First, measure floor length, width, and wheel well height so your platform sits level. Once done, transfer those dimensions to 18 mm plywood and mark cut lines. Make sure to account for insulation and baseboard thickness. You cut long pieces first with a circular saw, then test fit dry before fastening. Use 2x2 supports under the platform where weight concentrates, so the bed won't sag over time. You assemble the frame by laying the perimeter 2x2 and adding cross supports at regular intervals. This spreads load and prevents bounce. Once the perimeter is square, fasten cross members every 16 inches, placing extra supports above wheel wells and any heavy storage areas. Make sure to pre-drill and use screws or pocket joints so wood won't split. After securing, test the frame's level and adjust shims as needed. This step ensures the plywood top will sit flat and the mattress won't shift. You place the plywood top onto the completed frame, align seams, then fasten with 1-inch screws spaced about 8-10 cm apart, countersinking heads and sealing edges to block moisture. Once secured, install hinges and lids for storage access, then add trim for a clean look. If you hear squeaks or notice sag, stop and tighten fasteners, add a center joist or an extra cross member and inspect joints for loose screws, a dressing that immediately prevents damage and keeps the bed solid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.